The filter light on your Whirlpool refrigerator indicates when it's time to replace either the water or air filter. Resetting the light after replacing the filter is crucial to ensure your fridge operates efficiently and avoids error messages. For most standard models, locate the Filter Reset button on the dispenser panel and hold it down for 3 to 5 seconds. If you have a smart refrigerator, you can also reset the filter light through the Whirlpool app or by using voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Always remember to replace the filter before resetting the light to maintain optimal water quality and appliance performance. If you encounter issues resetting the filter light, first ensure you've replaced the filter with a genuine Whirlpool or EveryDrop filter to avoid voiding your warranty. For smart models, verify that your refrigerator is connected to Wi-Fi and that the Whirlpool app is up to date. If the app reset fails, try the manual button reset as a backup. If problems persist, consult your refrigerator's user manual for model-specific instructions, as reset procedures can vary. Ignoring the filter light can lead to reduced ice maker or dispenser efficiency and potentially higher energy bills. Regularly resetting the light after filter changes not only ensures proper function, but also helps extend the lifespan of your refrigerator.